How to change color on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change color on Opera Mini. First we're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then click this Opera Mini icon here, and then click this one, settings icon, and now you will find this one here, personalization. Click on it, and as you see here you can change it to red or white, green, anything you want, and then just go back and it will be saved. And if you want to change it again, just come here and select anything you want and go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.